G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Well, today this video is centered around time poor people. I'm going to show you what you can do in the Breville Quick Touch microwave that actually crisps. It has this really cool crisper in it. You may have seen an older video of mine where I'm showing you how to make things in it, but this video I'm going to show you how to heat a few things up in this microwave using the crisper, where in a regular microwave you'd heat these things up and they'd come out nice and hot, but they'd be soggy. So with this one, they won't come out soggy, they come out nice and crispy like they're brand new out of an oven. So no more soggy food. This crisper in this microwave is so awesome. So let's go.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get chicken. We want to reheat this, but we want the skin to be a bit crispy. Because normally when you put something like this in the microwave, you turn it on, it comes out soggy and soft. Now with this, there's no more soggy food. This is so cool. Now we just go to this button here, Smart Reheat, press that, scroll up, and we dial this down to chicken. And then we put the weight in. Now these 4 pieces I weighed, it's around 200 grams. So now we press start. Now for this we're going to do a pie. We're going to reheat that. And then you put your pie on there. You can see it's cold, but I want to reheat it. Now for the pie, just go to Smart Reheat, press that, scroll up and move this down to meat and 300 grams. Press start. There you go, 4.5 minutes and you're going to have a yummy, yummy pie. Hear that? It's nice and crispy, not soggy. Now once you put your crisper in the upper position and the door's left open, you go to this section here where it's got pizza. Press that. Up here, you want to go to fresh. And yes, you want to heat the pan. And press start. Now once it's heated up, take it out. Put your pizza in there. You can put however many pieces you want. You can hear it sizzling because the pan is really hot. Now it's asking you how many slices. I've done 1, so press start. And it's saying 2 minutes. And that'll be ready. And yummy as. There it is, nice and ready. Oh, look at it sizzling. Ah, hot. Very hot, nice and crispy, and sizzling away. Well, I hope you like these. Oh, look at that. Cut a lovely little piece out of it. Yummy pizza. Yummy chicken. Oh. 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 Mm. That was all so amazing. It was just like I'd received them all fresh, not heated up in a microwave. Couldn't tell the difference. This was so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.